Did you know that almost 90% of cyber attacks start with a simple human mistake? The good news is you don't need to be a hacker or an IT wizard to protect yourself. With the right habits and resources, anyone can build strong cyber defenses. Let's break down the essentials of cybersecurity for beginners, and I'll also share some free courses where you can learn more. Every time you browse, log in, or click an email, you leave a digital footprint. Hackers look for weak spots like easy passwords, fake links, or public Wi-Fi. For individuals, that can mean stolen money or identity theft. For businesses, it can mean millions lost. But just a few smart changes can make you much safer. Here are 5 basics every beginner should master: passwords and authentication. Use strong, unique passwords and always enable 2-factor authentication. Think of it as a second lock on your digital front door. Next, phishing and social engineering. Be cautious of urgent emails or messages. Hackers often pretend to be your bank, courier service, or even your boss. Third, safe browsing and downloads. Only use trusted websites and official app stores. Don't download from random links. Fourth, updates and patching. Keep your devices and apps up to date. Updates don't just add features, they fix security holes. Finally, backups and recovery. Store copies of your important files in the cloud or on an external drive. If ransomware hits, backups can save you. Now, if you want to go beyond the basics, here are some free beginner-friendly cybersecurity courses you can take today. ISC² certified in cybersecurity offers free entry-level training and even an exam to get you certified. This program provides foundational knowledge in security principles, business continuity, disaster recovery, and incident response. Cybrary provides free courses and labs where you can actually practice threat detection and ethical hacking. Their platform is used by over 3 million individuals and 96% of Fortune 1000 companies, offering structured, hands-on training. IBM SkillsBuild offers structured modules with digital credentials you can showcase. Palo Alto Networks' free cybersecurity courses are excellent for learning about network and cloud security. Alison and Great Learning Academy offer shorter self-paced courses, many with free certificates. Alison has over 45 million learners across 193 countries, with popular IT courses like Introduction to Cybersecurity. Great Learning Academy also offers over 1,000 free courses, including Introduction to Ethical Hacking and Network Security. All of these are available online, and they don't cost a single rupee or dollar. Cybersecurity may sound complex, but it starts with awareness and small daily habits. Combine those habits with free learning resources, and you'll quickly build confidence. So pick one of these free courses, get started today, and take control of your digital safety. Remember, cybersecurity isn't a one-time task, it's a lifelong habit.